oh. Dad, don't move. Dad, don't move. Come in here on the right. Wait. Dad, you see him? Straight up, run. Take him. Woo!
You guys got him.
Let's go, baby.
Brownie took off early. It pissed me off. Bring here, Brown. Come on.
Woo! Get that bird, Brown.
2 of them.
Oh, boy, three out front. Up in. Hold still.
Dad. They're not going to do it.
Bring here, Brown. Come on. Have Brownie bring that bird to you.
Boy, come on. Bring it in. Come on, bring it in. Good boy, Brownie. Good boy.
Woo! Gotta love it. Got to love it.
Brownie, go back.
Oh. Browning, come here.
Guys, I found the other one.
Okay.
Hey, Browning.
Wait, we got 3.
Yeah, Browning, come here. Dad, this duck's swimming away and I can't get it. Browning, come here. I can't. I've lost it. Browning, come here.
We're losing a duck. Come here.
Where the hell did he go? Oh my God. Oh my God.
Kill it, Dad. Kill it.
Fuck is this damn duck? Hey, two, right here. Oh, watch the dog.
We got those are 2 kills. Good boy, Brown.
But I know the ducks are flying and all, but I will say that one was a greenhead, and he.
Who hit these?
I shot one. Dad probably shot the other.
That's yours. All right. Brownie, bring it here. Bring it here, Brown. Come on.
Dad, what happened on that mallard?
Brownie, come here. Come here, Brownie. Come here.
Yeah, I think they're dumb enough. Well, I want to find it. It's my thing.
We're gonna find it at the end.
It didn't fly away.
Good boy, Brown.
It's called it can swim, and it's called it can swim faster than I can walk. Because it was 2 yards.
Let's just quit arguing about it. Forget about it.
Oh, right here. They're going to do it. These 2.
Where?
12 o'clock.
Just get in and sit down.
Well,
I just want to find it because it works 10 times better. Oh, stay. There's a bird coming right in.
Dad, wait.
Take it, Dad.
Shoot him, Dad.
Shoot it. Oh.
Shoot him.
Oh, good shot, Dad.
This is Suze.
Oh, Dad, what's going on?
Nate, yeah, Dad, what's going on?
My shell's getting discharged.
All right.
You think they're wet?
Okay, no, let me see it. Are you okay?
Discharged, yeah.
It didn't go off.
No.
Let me see it.
Should I put another one in?
Yeah, put it back in. You didn't hit the primer on it.
What? Now is it ready to go?
Brian, now find that plug. Okay, good. I'm going to go look for
Who shot that one, Nate?
Nathan.
Oh, shoot. Are you having fun?
Yeah,
Go-
the
we'll try to
GoPro's
find
not
it.
working.
Yeah, that's all.
I can't get all my shit together though. I keep dropping this and the GoPro doesn't work. Don't have any shells. Can't find the bird. And this thing's a pain in the ass.
They're just coming in so fast.
Yeah, I'm about ready to throw this jerk cord in the damn trash.
I mean, at this point, you really...
Well, because Browning runs everywhere. Nathan won't beat the hell out of him because he needs to. Dog won't sit. Dad, you need to not get so excited.
I know. I'm excited. I love it. I fell backwards.
You know, that's not the first time you've done that either.
Well, I kept leaning for higher, and then I lost my dad. I'm getting old. I lost my balance. But God, this is fun.
I've never seen birds to be this stupid.
Y'all call this is a great spot.
Now I gotta get back in my spot. Oh my God. Hey Nate,
You want me to pull that?
can you do the jerk cord? Because I'm about done with it.
Here, I will.
Low power.
Let me do it for a while.
Hey, Brownie.
Hey, right here.
Stay.
Oh, right here, right here, right here, right here.
Take him.
Oh, good shot. That was definitely Dad. Grab him though.
He's alive. Shoot him.
Because I was out of shells on that. That was you.
Back that first one, right?
Yeah, you shot the first one. Dad shot the
that
second
one's
one.
alive. Brownie's getting. He's gonna run off. Don't.
Brownie, come here. Bring him here.
Good shot, Dad.
I aimed a little in front of him. I hit feather.
Hey.
Low power.
Right.
Dad, right here.
Dad, take it. Take it. Take it. Take it.
All right, that one's down. Get that bird, Brown.
He's alive. Shoot
Who
it.
smacked that one?
Good shot, Dad.
I don't want to hit
Who
Brown.
smacked that
Still
one?
alive.
I didn't shoot my gun.
Dad, I didn't shoot at that one. That's all you.
Still alive.
Yeah,
Brownie's got it.
Browning's got it though. Hey, we got two more cutting in on the right.
Dad's got. Is Dad at 3 already?
Dad's at 3. Dad's at.
Dad,
I didn't
wasn't aiming
shoot.
at that one. I was aiming at the other one.
I didn't shoot. I didn't pull the trigger.
Bring his neck. He's alive.
Yeah. Look at that bird, dude. That's a good looking bird. Dad's almost limited out. Hey, what did I say my goal was this year for Dad to limit out, and he's about to do it twice in a row.
I was shooting at the other one, and I was like,
I didn't pull the trigger because I turned
Yeah,
up.
did.
Dad
I
hit the
swear I
one,
was
and then
shooting at that one.
Okay.
I literally was. I was like, oh, so we dropped one.
good boy, Brown.
I'm wringing his neck.
Good boy, Brown.
Brown,
Oh, 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 oh. Ooh, he walked under it. Good boy, Brown. No, that one's dead. That one's dead now.
Bring it here. Bring it here.
He's like, no, I bring it to Nathan.
Well, okay.
Brownie, come here. Come here, Brownie. Come on.
Good boy.
Let him work. Let him work. And people over there had to pull up on him. Hey, out front, out front.
Dad, you shoot the one on the right.
He's just on back. Hold still. Oh. Too tall. Right, stay. Oh, boy, to our right, to our right, to our right, to our right. To our right.
Dad, 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 Dad. That'll do.
Who got that?
That was definitely not me.
I didn't get it.
I think that was you, Nate.
Hey guys, I got it marked right there.
Yeah.
I think Browning's got a good beat on him.
Another one.
Get your gun, get your gun, get your gun, get your gun.
Where?
Brian's got a beat on it.
I don't have any shells.
Where's another one at?
Oh, it's loud. It's
Browning's got a good beat on it, I'm pretty sure.
Get that. I'll be in touch. I need some more shells.
Back!
Oh, baby girl. Take it, Brian. Take it. Kill it, kill it, kill it. Kill it. Smack it.
I ain't got a shell.
What the fuck?
I don't have a
Kill
shell.
it.
I shelled it, Joel.
My shell didn't go off either.
I'm sitting here not even jumping up.
Well, I'm sorry. I have like 17 damn things going on. I'm about to throw this damn jerk cord in the water. I'm sorry.
Let me run it.
Run it.
It's not that hard to freaking run. Take him.
Low power. Low power.
You failed. I think I hit that.
What were those? Right.
Crack it, crack it.
Oh, that thing got raped. I don't know.
Shot.
I don't know who shot that, but. Oh my God! Finish off the limit right here, right now, boys.
Crack him.
Oh! That's 2 birds.
I cracked that one.
Here, Dad, shoot mine.
Go get that one, Brian. Go walk and get it now.
Ready? Look at that.
You need to clean it.
Brian, go hurry up.
Here, Dad, shoot mine.
I will.
Yeah. Go take your gun.
Good boy, Buns. Good boy, Real Buns.
Brian, right here. Brian, come.
Oh, that's a good picture. Good boy, Brown Buns. Nate, ring the piss out of him. Let's go.
Stand over there. I'm going to get a picture of you two with Browning.
Browning's like, what are you doing to me?
Look at that's a migraine. Look at his feet.
Good boy, Brown Buns.
If I didn't hit that, I should have went.
You clipped him, and I was like,
Right
oh
there.
no.
Well, no, when he was on the water, he was escaping and evading. You guys shot 3
Get
times.
together, guys. 1, 2, 3. All right.
All right, let's get out of here. Let's get on the boat. Wrap it up. Woo! Hell of a start.